In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove pages on Squarespace. If you're reorganizing your site, cleaning up old content, or simplifying your navigation, removing a page is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also explain what you're seeing so you feel confident as you go. From your Squarespace dashboard, look to the left side of the screen. Click Websites, then select Pages. This takes you to the Pages panel, which is essentially your site's table of contents. Here, you'll see every page that makes up your site, typically grouped under sections like Main Navigation and Not Linked. Think of Main Navigation as the menu your visitors see, while Not Linked holds pages that exist on your site but aren't displayed in the main menu. Take a moment to scan this list and identify the page you no longer need. It helps to double-check the page title so you're removing exactly what you intend. When you're ready, move your mouse over that page name. As you hover, a small trash icon will appear alongside the page. This icon is your delete control. Click the trash icon to delete the page. That's it. The page is removed from your list and it will no longer appear on your live site or in your navigation. If you manage a lot of pages, you might notice how much cleaner your structure looks right away. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the trash icon, make sure your cursor is directly over the page name, not the section header. Hovering precisely is what triggers the icon to show. This process works best in a desktop browser, where the Pages panel and on-hover controls are easy to access. Also, be mindful with important pages like your home or contact page. Removing them changes what visitors can reach, so confirm you truly no longer need that content. If your site uses folders or has pages nested under others, the same approach applies. Hover over the specific page you want to remove within that group, and the trash icon will appear for that item. Deleting a page affects only that page, not the entire folder. And there you have it. By clicking Websites on the left, selecting Pages, hovering over the page you want to remove, and clicking the trash icon, you've cleaned up your site with just a couple of actions. Thanks for watching, and happy building.